Okay, this is a quick video on this IEC. Actually, is the IEC 3103 slave connection to this KGW3204. Okay, so this is the demo I'm showing now. So this is the KGW unit. Okay, followed by my laptop over here. Okay, so you see the yellow cable is actually an Ethernet cable. It's just for configuration purpose. But today's main motive is to configure IEC 103 master over here and a slave over here. And the slave, I'm using a simulator called test harness. Okay, and it's connecting back to COM9 over here. Yeah. So yeah, if you watch the video, okay, now okay, my finger over here, there's actually no there's no activity. So this is the so-called yellow cable, Ethernet cable that I'm talking, and this is the RS232 cable that is reaching out to my laptop. Okay, so let's carry on. Okay, let's carry on. Okay, let me open up my laptop. Okay, this is the laptop I'm referring to. This is the project that I already opened up. Okay, let me see if I can put it over here. Okay, so I'm going to use this software called Test Harness. Let me open up. Okay, I'm using a demo version. Okay, cancel. Okay, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to set up over here, set up a channel. And it's supposed to be this 103 slave. Okay, and open. And the setting, let me set to serial. Okay, reaching out the COM line. Okay, let me set to 192.192.192.0.0, and okay, and the link should be set to 1. Okay, 1 again also. Yeah, that's all. And open. So automatic, you will set up this connection. Okay, but obviously there are some problem. Okay, COM line. Okay, I don't know what's the error. Okay, let's try later. Okay, let me see if I got. Let me close this. Okay, let me restart everything again. I think I have a multiple. Oh, there's another open software over here. Okay, let me switch this off. No. Okay. Okay. Let's redo this again. Demo. Okay, cancel. And set a new tree. Okay, slave. Okay, and press open. Okay, set to 1. Address is 1. Okay, 1 and 1 and open. Yeah, yeah. So now there shouldn't be any significant error. Okay, okay, okay. The next thing I want to do is okay, I open up the data window. Okay, let me double check this again, the setting. Should be link 1, and okay, so all these are the available data that is inside the slave already. So let's make use of it. Okay, let's try to connect this tag. Okay, time tag message with this. So the address is actually F120 followed by 64. Okay, let's try over here. Okay, let's try over here. Okay, let's open up a new project. Okay, I don't need this. Okay, this is the new project. Right click and create a new client. Okay, choose this IEC 103. Okay, okay, right click and create a new port, serial port. Okay, connect to COM1. Okay, so okay, and the baud rate is just now I changed it to 19200, and everything seems to be fine. Okay. Oh, one thing need to remember, the parity check is always in even. So let's change this to even and press OK. Should be fine. Okay, the rest you just leave it as default. Right click and create a new dialog. Okay. Okay, let's try the input. Right click and create a new point. Okay, let's create maybe four new point, or five new point. Okay. Okay, and change all the variable to float. Okay, go to this IO. Okay, so the function type. Okay, we need it for this data. Okay, let's try the first this over here. The type 9 data. Okay, the address function address will be 128. Right click. Okay, 128. Okay, followed by the ID will be 48. Okay, and there's a index number of E0. Okay, for our case, the positioning will be starting from 1. So it will be 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, the position I'm referring to is actually, let me put this positioning. Okay, and yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, the last number, maybe I want to extract this data of this. Okay, so it's 160. Okay, followed by 73. Okay, so yeah, so you just leave it in this manner. Okay, for the input, okay, maybe for the input, let's create 3 input, or 4 input to be exact. Okay, change this to double point. Okay, go to IO. Okay, the common address, the function type will be again 128, and the ID will be starting from 64, increment by 1. Okay, let's save this. Okay, and yeah, we are done. Okay, let's download this program, okay, which is project 13, and press. Okay, so the next thing I need to do is I need to activate this by going to the browser. Okay, and type the admin and the password. Okay, which is PWD $4 followed by capital KYA LAD Killen. Okay, let me show this. So yep, correct. Okay, go to the protocol config overview, protocol project, and start project 13. Okay, and so after you start, we expect blinking activity over here. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, it seems working. Okay. So let's go to this place again and clear the display. Okay, we should see some activity here. Okay, let's troubleshoot what goes wrong. RS232, yeah, seems to be incorrect. Correct, okay. Oh, I messed up. Okay, I supposed to set serial. Okay, and port com9 over here, and followed by 19200. Okay, and modify. Okay, good. So you should able to see more vigorous blinking over here. Okay, let's try something. let's try something. Let's online, one monitor, and the value. Okay. So now the value is almost offline. Okay. Okay, let's try to change the data. Go to the data screen and change the data. Okay, maybe over here, let me change the data to 111, followed by 222, followed by 333. Okay, because it's cyclic, it may take some time to update. Okay. Okay, let's wait for a while. Okay, but the first one will be this one. Okay, let's change this value. Okay, change this maybe to 2.345. Yeah, so almost instantly, the value change over here. Okay, take note, it actually come with a timestamp. Okay, okay, and why this three value is not updating? One, okay, let me double check whether did I mess up. 428 followed by 48. Oh, I messed up. The ID should be 148. Okay, okay, let me do a quick change. One four eight, and let's do a quick save and download. Yes. Okay, usually I request you to reboot, but reboot will take more time. So usually I put the choice of no, and then I reach out to the page this again and restart it again over here. Okay, let's try again. And okay, let's change the value over here. Again, okay, change it to maybe 4.567. Okay, yeah, okay, good. Now this is updated. Okay, this is also updated, but this is not updated in a very funny manner. It's because it's at the scale of 40 something. Okay, let me show you. So it's actually to it's actually a value of 3 byte value. Okay, and 3 byte is equivalent to this, and the value is actually 4095. Okay, so if we put this value to, for example, 4095, is it the earlier value? Okay, okay, let's divide by 2. Okay, it's 2047. Okay, 2047. Okay, so in the event if I change these two value, okay, this value will be near to 1 and this will be near to 0.5 in a, yeah. So let's wait it for it to update. Okay, take some time to update. Okay, while we are waiting, you may want to do the debug section where you can see all the activity. Okay, and probably one of the section of the update is actually also shared with the update. Okay, we can see over here the details update. Okay, let's see see if there's one more detailed update. Oh, it's running too fast. Okay, let's go back. See, is it, yeah. Okay, it's not updated. Okay, good. Now it's updated. So let's stop for a while. Okay, so just now earlier there's one activity that contain a lot of data. Let me see if it's yeah, very difficult to capture it. Ah, should be something like this, which come with a bigger data. Let me see, check. Yeah, oh, yeah, it's over here. So this is actually reflecting the data over here. Okay, so this is 1. Why is it 1? Because it's at the resolution of 4095, and this is half of this resolution, so that you get to see this. So with this, I end my presentation. Thank you.